Hey everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back, if you've been here before, to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. And if you haven't visited this channel, welcome in today. Much appreciated. Today I'm going to be doing another quick video on the prickly pear cactus, store-bought, that I replant. The first one I did not do it properly. I soaked it. I soaked the bottom of it in water. That you should not do. So it passed on me. So I'm going to try it again. I've done some research, and they all say, most of them say, to cut the bottom off and let it callus over for 3 or 4 days to a week. And so that's what I've done. I went back to this ethnic store, the Mexican, what's it called? La Casa Latina, the Mexican market, and I purchased a couple more. I only bought one the first time. I got two this time. These cost me under $1. And they have thorns, but I sliced off this bottom part. I had stuck this whole thing in water and soaked it. This thing is full of water. You don't do that. So it's been callousing over for about 5 days, and it's very dry. So I'm hoping it is ready, because I'm going to plant these. They've got a good callus on them. So I have this container. I'm going to put both of them in the same container. And it has its holes, and I always use something on the bottom so that the soil doesn't come out of the holes. So I have this thin paper towel that I'm placing in here, and my mixture is cocoa coir, perlite, sand, and this is the mixture that I had added a little bone meal and worm castings. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. Hopefully the worm castings and bone, whatever that stuff is called. It's not called bone marrow. Bone, you know what I'm talking about. Bone what? Bone. I don't know. Is it castings? No, bone. Anyway, I'm just going to add, and this also has some vermiculite in it. I'm just going to fill this to the top. This will be quick, simple, and easy, and we'll just put some prayers up for these prickly pear cactuses. Cacti, is that how you say it? Cactuses, cacti. And hope that these work. Now I'm at the bottom of my container of mixture here, so I hope that I have enough. Got to get every little bit out of here. And if it's not enough, I can soak another block of cocoa coir and make another mixture. But this should work. This should be enough. It's almost at that inch mark, because that is the last of it. And I'm just going to pour the rest in here. This tiny little bit. Okay. Now it's real light and fluffy. Tap the sides of your container. Yeah, I'll probably end up adding more later on. And you can use tongs. You can use tongs when handling this prickly pear cacti so that you don't get stuck. And I'm just going to have to use my hand. I should have got gloves. I'm just going to, well, let's make a little indentation. And I'm going to press that down in there. And then push the soil up against it on both sides. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Now, I don't know what these will do. probably nothing. I don't know. I might experiment with these and cut this little end off, let them dry and see if they'll grow. I don't know. But right now, we're not. So let's put another little indentation in here. And place this other one. Do I want them both going this way? I think I want to turn it this way. Now this soil is a little moist. I don't think I even want to water this. I'm not sure. Okay, let me just hold on to it and press this soil up against it in the front and the back to hold it in there securely. And then you can always use a skewer or a stick or something if they start to lean over. But they're in here pretty good. And for now, I'm not going to add water. I got to go back and read. I don't remember. I don't think. I'm not sure. Anywho, there it is. Pray for it. I'll come back and let you know the results. It takes a little while for it to establish roots, so we shall see. And in the meantime, I might cut these two off, let them callus over, and stick these in here also. Just for an experiment, just to see. Alrighty, thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to try this. If you have tried this, have you been successful? You know, for the cost of them, it doesn't hurt to try. Very economical. I think I spend more on the soil than I do on the cacti. Alrighty. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Take care. Prickly pear update. 1 week later, planted this on March 5th, these two, and they're gone. They did not take. Neither one of them. Look at that. Nope. So, three's a charm. I will be purchasing a few more and trying it again. Now, these little ends, I did experimentally place those in there. So far, they haven't passed along. So we'll see how those do. But I'm going to take these out and put them in the compost. And when I make it to the Mexican market again, I'm going to buy a couple more. Try it again. Three's a charm, or 3 strikes, you're out.